Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Equinox LT. Stock number Z9852A. 43,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Equinox brand new, Patriot blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional power outlet. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, automatic temperature control with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.